Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Subaru Impreza, stock reference number 4045. This shape runs from the 9th month 2005 through to the 4th month 2007. It has an EJ20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. EJ20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand power door mirror, left rear door has a few small dents, spare wheel, good tyre. Tailgate appears to have no damage apart from 2 dents. Right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents, right front door has only 2, right power door mirror, and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster. Vehicle's done 143,000 kilometers and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.